This is one of the biggest shopping mall, Aba Mega Shopping Mall, which was abandoned for many years. And we have this kind of project, and our people are suffering, wasting their time. This is a project that everybody needed to take. So this moment, you can see how big this plaza is and how big the complex is. Very mighty and massive. This is a time we need to revive this for the economic growth of Aba, Abia states. So I'm using this opportunity to encourage our brothers in diaspora, the Igbo men, who are hearing my voice as one of the members of Igbo people, to come back and let us unite and restore back this complex. This complex is already decaying. You can see there's a massive compound built and the ones that have not been built already. So this is the opportunity for us to do what? To bring back our men. Let's restore Ale Aba into this place. If we can be able to bring the area market people into this complex, it will be very, very wonderful. And the one speaking Chino to Chick. So like what I'm saying, this is Aba Mega Shopping Mall, as you can see. Very massive. This shopping mall is as big as half of Trade Fair International Lagos State. So this moment, I'm encouraging every Igbo man from wherever you are. I'm Chinedu Chikoro by name, one of the members of Igbo Kunia. I'm encouraging every Igbo man in diaspora, in Nigeria, everywhere you are in Africa. Let's come back and restore back this mega shopping mall that has been abandoned. We're about to reform it. We're about to transform it by bringing people from Alia, every other market into this place for them to have a safer environment for their business transactions. So this is a very important project in the hands of every Igbo man. Are you an indigenous of Abia, Anambra, Enugu, Ebonyi State? This is an opportunity for you to come down, invest your money in restoring and transforming this section for us to make our Aba Alia markets great by bringing them back here.